We're making an exceptionally quick and easy butter bean curry, and what you're going to need is 1 red onion, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic depending on your preference, a half to 1 green chili depending again on your preference. You can either leave the seeds in if you want a hotter curry or take them out if you want it to be milder, and a variety of spices. The list of spices is on the actual tutorial. Here I've got mustard seeds, both black and yellow. I have got turmeric. I have got a curry masala, which I will detail on the tutorial. And now we are going to put our ingredients into a little sunflower oil and cook it on very low heat for about 15 minutes. In addition to your spices, onion, garlic and chili, you're also going to need tomatoes. You can use 4 fresh, very ripe tomatoes. I use a tin of tomatoes because it's actually much easier and you get a much better result, and a tin of butter beans. So now we're going to fry our onion and our various spices very slowly over very low heat for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to add the garlic and the chili. Once your onion has turned translucent after about 15 minutes, you're going to add the garlic and the chili, and we're going to cook for a further 5 minutes on very low heat. At this point you can add a little salt and pepper, and after you have sauteed your onion and your garlic, we're going to add a vegetarian stock cube to the mix. Add 3/4 of a tin of whole tomatoes and 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and you need to saute that as well for about 5 to 7 minutes. And you want your oil to have that sort of consistency. The oil must separate, and you know it's ready for your beans. Add your butter beans, and if you haven't added your stock cube yet, now is the time to add your stock cube. Glorious, easy to prepare butter bean curry served with papadums and sambals and coconut.